Hi there. Today I'm going to talk about how to use had better in a sentence and what are the meanings for which we can use had better. Here we can use had better to talk about advice, to order somebody to do something, or to give a threat. For example, you should wake up early in the morning. We can replace should with had better. You'd better wake up early in the morning. Get me a glass of water. We can replace this sentence by you had better get me a glass of water. This is an order. And threat. If you did not return me my money, you would see something strange. Means you'd better return my money or you will see something strange in me. So here we use had better to talk about advice, order, and threat. Okay, and visually contact, you'd better, she'd better, he'd better, they'd better. Okay, and if you think the video was of any help to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.